In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on Trading 212. We'll take you step by step through this process, ensuring you have a complete understanding of each action you need to take. Whether you're a beginner or have a bit of experience, you'll find these instructions clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Trading 212 account. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to set it up beforehand. Once you're logged in, your next step is to open your Trading 212 CFD account. CFD stands for Contracts for Difference, and it's the type of account you'll use to trade on margin. Make sure you are comfortable with leveraged trading as it can amplify both gains and losses. Next, navigate to the Forex section. This is where you'll find all the currency pairs available for trading on the platform. Forex trading involves speculating on the price movements of currencies, so take some time to familiarize yourself with the different options available. Once you're in the Forex section, it's time to choose the currency pair you want to trade. This might be a popular pair like EUR USD, or perhaps a pair that you've researched and decided offers good trading potential. Choosing the right pair is crucial as it will significantly impact your trading strategy. After selecting your currency pair, you need to decide whether you want to go long, which means you anticipate the currency pair's value will increase, or go short if you believe that the value will decrease. You can do this by clicking buy to go long or sell to go short. The next important step is to set up your trade details. This involves specifying your trade size, which is essentially how much you're willing to trade. Make sure your trade does not exceed your risk management strategy. Also, determine your stop loss and take profit points. Setting a stop loss helps protect against significant losses, while a take profit point lets you lock in gains without needing to monitor the trade constantly. Now, all that's left is to confirm and open the trade. Carefully review all your selections to make sure everything is set according to your plan. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm your choices to open the trade. When you feel the time is right, whether it's because of hitting your take profit target or other strategic reasons, you can close the trade. This wraps up the trading process on Trading 212. And there you have it, a complete journey through trading Forex on Trading 212. With practice, this process will become more intuitive and your confidence will grow over time. Thank you for watching and happy trading.